Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favourite breads. It's really easy. This is all you need. I like to use wholemeal flour mixed with some rye. It's much easier when you use wholemeal flour than white flour, and it's much healthier. And then there's the yeast. Fresh yeast is much more fun, and some nuts and salt and sugar and water and milk mixed together, and it must be warm. First you add the sugar to the crumbled yeast and you cream it well together, and then you add half of the liquid. The yeast is a living plant, so it needs the sugar and the warmth and the liquid, and then it starts to multiply like mad and produce lots and lots of bubbles. Then you need to put all your dry ingredients into a very large bowl and make a well in the middle. And when your yeast is all frothy, which is about after 15 minutes, you pour it into the well with the rest of the liquid and give it a good stir to mix it together into a sticky dough, which then you need to turn out onto a floury board and start to knead. It's really quite hard at first, so you will need some help until the dough gets a little bit easier. You need to knead it for about 15 minutes till it's all elastic and smooth and springy, and then you leave it to rise for about an hour and a half until it's doubled in size and springs back when you touch it. Then you've got to knock it back again and give it just another quick knead, and then make it into the shape of a loaf. You must leave it again to rise for another 30 minutes before you put it into a hot oven to bake. Wow, that smells really good. And it tastes really good too. Try sticking to the recipe the first time you make the bread, but then you can experiment and change just one ingredient at a time. Like you could try a different kind of nut or a different flour. You can even see what happens if you add a grated carrot or grated courgette. So that's all from me today, Maisie. I hope you have lots of fun making the bread. And lots of fun eating it.